course facilitator, Mr. Shara Young. Colleagues, a felicitous morning to you all. My name is Aheje Mattis, and today I will be exploring the topic, managing the online space. Now let's jump right into it. Why is it important that the learning environment be effectively managed? According to educators Heath and Smythe, the learning environment can produce conditions and mediate relationships that can positively influence students' cognitive, social, emotional, and mental well-being, and increase student receptivity to you, the facilitator, content, and the exchange in the classroom, students' motivation, and study habits. Knowing your student's profile is crucial in efficiently managing the learning environment. It is important to remember that everyone learns at a different pace, and as a result, it is crucial to pay attention to each student's learning style when managing the learning environment. It is critical to successfully manage the learning environment as it impacts a variety of elements. Now, why is there a need for teachers to be trained adequately to use the online space? Now, the majority of teachers have never operated in the virtual modality. So being trained to adequately use the online space is very crucial. In order for them to effectively harness the power of everyday technology, utilizing LMS platforms and e-learning opportunities, and even use various resources available, from automated marking to digitally issuing tests, and even tracking students' progress report with reporting tools and analytics. Having proper training is necessary, as the following listed above plays a very important role in having the ideal learning environment, making the educational landscape a more accommodating and innovative industry that puts the students first. Another factor why it's very important that teachers be trained adequately to use the online space is to provide them with different strategies in dealing with the different learner types: the auditory, the visual, and the kinesthetic learner. Ensuring that all learning styles are included in your lesson is a cardinal point in teaching and learning, and it can be challenging at times, especially in the virtual space. Now, Zoom offers a number of important features that can be utilized in the virtual learning environment. We'll be exploring some practical ways in which you can use the features of Zoom to manage your session's lesson delivery. The first point we'll be looking at is utilizing the breakout room feature. Now, this replicates the common in-person pedagogical practice of breaking the class into small groups. What this does is that it enables collaboration between the learners, all within the same meeting or learning session. This is an effective method of motivating students, encouraging active learning, and developing key critical thinking, communication, and decision-making, all by working in groups. Another way we can manage the lesson delivery using Zoom is by utilizing the screen share feature. Now, this gives the option of a whiteboard that educators can share and write live content to the students. This feature also gives the option to share resources, such as PowerPoints and other documents that might contain lesson content and other teaching aids, for example, YouTube videos, etc. And finally, you can launch polls at different intervals of the class, asking students different multiple choice, quantitative questions, from doing knowledge checks, or just asking questions relating to the lesson to see if all students are on track. This concludes my reflection on managing the online learning space. Thank you.